Hey, welcome back to another edition of untilit.works. All right. I've added a few things and I'm hoping that it works. So, uh yeah, stick around. Hopefully it works. I'm not sure. I think it works. I was working on the closed caption stuff this week and it was working before. So let me know if you can see the words that I am saying popping up if you're here. So yeah, also worked on hopefully this video will be analyzed and it will have the transcription, some tags, and like a summary generated automatically once I hit stop broadcast on this. So I worked on that. So if it worked, next break session, I will talk about how I got it to work. Yeah, so that was this. How's everyone doing? Please feel free to hit me up in the chat room. Thank you once again. What are y'all working on? You know what I mean? So I've got some radio post radio show broadcasts, promotional stuff I'm working on, and then also some other things. So yeah. Later today, we'll also be looking at another hip hop artist's website to kind of see what they've got going on. And I think that's, yeah, pretty much it. So once again, let me know what you're working on. If you get stuck, you can always send out a Hako, which is basically like a room that you can create where you can invite people to join, and then you can share your screen, show your issue that you're having, and be able to hopefully collectively with everyone there can get all that information worked out. Cool. I don't know if the actual thing is working, so I'll have to figure that out. Cool. It was working last night. Isn't that the way it always works? Cool. So also below that, you may notice that there is the clips. So if there's anything that you see that you think is clip worthy, I guess you just click that. It'll take a clip of it. You get to have 5 clips. When it's all done, you'll generate a highlight reel video, and then that you can send that out on Twitter or download and post to Instagram or whatever. That's what I'm doing also. So I'm testing that out as well. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Just kind of an introduction to get everyone started. Hopefully, that we get stuff done. Like, because the whole point is that it's about making progress, even if it's like small chunks of progress, and being consistent about it. That I feel that you can actually not only like complete it, but like get a better understanding of it, because you just consistently put in the habit. You like generate the habit of being able to just always working on something. So yeah, so that's I'm speaking for myself as much as anything, because I want this for myself, and so hopefully other people would enjoy it as well. And plus, it gives me a reason to build a random project, because I'm a big fan of building random projects and stuff. So get to learn a lot of things. And when things don't work, you figure out why they don't work. You know what I mean? So yeah. So thanks again for hanging out. What else? I think that's pretty much it. So I was running kind of late and stuff. I stayed up kind of late last night putting together the radio show after the show and everything. So yeah. So I got some stuff to finish up for that. So yeah, so please let me know anything that you're working on, and let me know if the chat is working. I'm gonna send a chat here. Let me see if it's working, because I'm pretty sure I pushed the changes, but I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, that showed up there. At least the chat showed up. Cool. All right, so that's something. All right, so that still works. So that's good. Let me try sending a message back. Hold on. This is pretty much what I do. I live test stuff. I build it, test it on my system, but you never really know until you actually put it out there, right? So that's what I'm doing right now, and make sure. Okay, because like I was saying, I stayed up kind of late working on this and the radio show, and I was like, I'm pretty sure I pushed the changes. So it looks like at least the chat is working. I don't know why the closed caption isn't working, but I will look into that, because I should have been sending out stuff. Or maybe I did it in the wrong order. Again, just making this up as I go along. You know what I'm saying? So this is a new thing for me. I'm using speech recognition. So as I'm saying things, it will get by the browser, will be translate, like turned into text, and then that sends it to like a conversation that the break session that you're watching and my dashboard is having, so that it can send the message to there. But for some reason, it doesn't look like it's popping up. Great. I wonder if it's because I'm not didn't log in first. I have to check. I'm not sure, but yeah. So I will be working on that as well, and so hopefully, again, you know what? I think the next break, I may show the dashboard that I'm looking at now, so you can kind of see all the stuff that I have going on. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'll probably just give you some time back because it's just like an introduction thing. I want to get you back to work. Hopefully, whatever it is that you're working on, you're making some progress. Feel free to let me know if you need any help or anything, especially JavaScript wise, because I am a JavaScript developer advocate and advantage. And so to help me better understand our products and stuff, like I'm using our products in this. And so helps me understand it. If you have any questions, please feel free to, this is basically what I do, you know what I'm saying, help people use our stuff and get a better understanding of it. What better way than for me to build stuff with it and see what people go through, you know what I'm saying, building stuff. So if you have any questions or anything, please feel free to let me know. Actually, there's the tutorials section. And so there you can go, and if you don't have a project or anything that you want, that you want us to do, the tutorials are hopefully a place where you can kind of get started on something, and then maybe it'll spark an idea for something that you want to build more. So that's the point of the tutorials. So you'll see there, I have like free code camp and the Odin project. So if you're thinking about like getting into coding and stuff, from what I understand, those are supposed to be pretty good and they don't cost you anything to start. So I'm a big fan of testing things out before actually having to put down money for it. So you can kind of see if you want to get into coding and give you like a good introduction and what goes into it. And then also, like I said, I work for Vonage. So I have some tutorials there. I help, I guess disclaimer. Well, I already said I work for Vonage, but I help like with the tutorials. And so if there's something like you can like create a chat room, you can actually use your phone to call the computer. That's one tutorial, and the vice versa, from the computer, call a phone. So those tutorials are there. So I'm always interested in seeing if people use it, how they use it, if they run into any issues, kind of want to make it better for other people and everything. So yeah. So there's that. So that's my whole spiel. Think that's everything, right? I believe so. So I got a bunch of stuff I need to get back to work on. And so hopefully you also have something to work on, and hopefully this helps. And let me know how everything works. So yeah, so when we come back, either show the dashboard that I'm looking at, or if all the video analysis stuff worked, maybe show that as well. All right. So we got to, and then later we'll do a look at somebody's website, you know what I'm saying? Because I have a hip hop radio show, and I'm a big fan of hip hop artists and websites and the web. So I figured have this avenue they created. So might as well put them together and look at different dope hip hop artists that we play on the radio show, look at their websites and play some songs, and maybe, get a couple of people, more fans or what have you. You know what I mean? So I'm a fan of these folks. And yeah. Okay, cool. I'm going to have to see what is up with the closed caption. Should have been working, but I'll look into it. And yeah, so thank you all once again. I'm going to be out of here. Let me double check something real quick. I'm just going to open up an inspector window real quick just to kind of make sure that things are coming through. But I believe okay. Yeah, we'll figure something out. I'm not sure what's happening, but we will make it work out, because this is what we do. You know what I'm saying? We live code stuff. All right. So we test things live. So again, thank you all for hanging out. Again, hopefully you are working on something that you've been meaning to work on and using this as an excuse to actually work on it. So whatever it is for you, hopefully you're going to make some progress on it. So it's 45 minutes of like actual like work study time, and then 15 minutes after the hour we do these breaks, and then we go right back to work. So we do that 3 times. All right, so I think that's going to be it. So again, thank you all for hanging out. Hopefully this video analysis stuff will work and we'll have something to show about later. If not, just have to fix it. All right, so again, thank you all for hanging out. I'm going to go back to this radio promo post-show work stuff. All right, thanks y'all, and yeah, see you 15 minutes after the hour. All right, I'm still working out all this whole stuff here, so yeah. Cool. Here we go, sharing the audio. Great. Again, thank y'all. See y'all in a bit. All right. I thought I hit play, but I guess I didn't. All right, here we go.
I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard, you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard, you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard, you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard, you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want